how to change your birthday on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change your birthday on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your birthday on Twitter, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch a Twitter application like this. Once you launch a Twitter app, just tap the profile icon from the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon, go to the option known as profile, as you can see here, and after you come to profile, you're going to land on this page where you have to simply choose this option known as edit profile and then make sure to tap on it. Once you tap the edit profile option, as you can find it, just scroll and then here you'll find this option known as birth date. All you have to do is just make sure to tap on it. Tap on this birthday option. It will ask you to edit it, so tap on edit. Now simply choose the desired date of birth that you wish over here. Once you choose the date of birth, tap the continue option from the top right and your changes will get successfully saved. This way you can change your birthday on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.